Right, I'm going up a lighthouse. This is a fully operational lighthouse, and I've been told I think they should have had a lift. It's a long way to go up. That's a nice view. Right, we carry on going up. More up.
How are you? Use the handholds on the phone. Oh, okay. Just turn the lantern on, so it'll be mindful. Just come straight up. Hold on.
David.
Hi.
Hello. This is David. He's the light man.
Hi.
And our tour guide.
Okay. Is there anything you'd like to know about the lighthouse?
I want to know everything about the lighthouse.
Everything. Goodness me, there's lots to tell there. It was the third lighthouse to be built on the island.
Okay.
One you can see there, there's another one higher up. It took them a year to build. They started building in 1905 and it became operational on the 11th of January 1906 and has been working ever since.
Okay.
This is the original lantern. This is still working.
Mm-hmm.
We switch it on at the end of the day and switch it off in the morning. When the building's closed, it's running all the time.
Okay.
Trinity House in London do all the management.
Okay. Is it run by diesel, petrol?
Electric.
Electric, is it?
Electric. It used to be run by clockwork. We used to have a mechanism, we used to have to wind it up
Okay.
every 75 minutes
Mm-hmm.
and the weight would fall turning the lantern exactly 3 times a minute.
Okay.
So that was until 1942 when it became electrified.
Ah.
So it was all mechanical here up until 1942.
Okay. And now, as there is so much navigation, navigation system, GPS, and all
Yes,
that,
yes.
is lighthouse becoming more of a thing of the past, or is it
No, they're still going to carry on using lighthouses. One of the problems with satellite navigation systems is shipping is coming too close to the shore. So if they're out at sea and they can see 4 beams of light,
Okay.
they know they're far enough out.
Right.
So each lighthouse has its unique character.
Mhm.
Portland is 4 flashes every 20 seconds.
Ah. All right. Thank you, David. I'm just going to take a little
By
walk
all means,
around.
by all means.
Thank you. Right.
If you want to start heading down, that's fine. Of course it is, that's fine. So we go the same way we came up, backwards, facing forwards, yeah. If you use a handrail, just get down the stairs. Yeah, that's fine. That's lovely. Okay. There you go. Switch the power.
Right.
If there's a power cut, there's a bank of batteries downstairs.